Productive Morning Routine for 10 to 18 years old girls. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. A structured morning routine can help young girls develop good habits, stay organized, and start their day with a positive mindset. Here's a detailed explanation of each step in a productive morning routine. Let's dive into the video. First, we talk about the night before morning routine. Step 1. Prepare. School bag and outfit. Preparing the school bag and outfit the night before reduces morning stress and saves time. It ensures they have everything needed for the day and can avoid last-minute rushes. Step 2. Set a bedtime routine. A consistent bedtime routine helps ensure adequate sleep, which is crucial for focus, energy, and overall health. Calming activities like reading or taking a bath can make falling asleep easier. Now we move on to morning routine. Step 1. Wake up early. Waking up at the same time every day helps regulate the body's internal clock. Early rising provides ample time to complete morning tasks without feeling rushed. Step 2. Make the bed. Making the bed is a small task that creates a sense of accomplishment. It also sets a tidy tone for the day. Step 3. Hydrate yourself. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning helps rehydrate the body after a night's sleep, kickstarts metabolism, and boosts energy levels. Step 4. Morning hygiene. Good hygiene practices, such as brushing teeth, washing the face, and showering, promote cleanliness and help wake up the body. Step 5. Skincare. A simple skincare routine, cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, helps maintain healthy skin and protects it from environmental damage. But choose products according to your skin type. Step 6. Get dressed. Wearing the outfit chosen the night before saves time and ensures a neat appearance, contributing to a confident start to the day. Step 7. Healthy breakfast. A nutritious breakfast fuels the body and brain, improving concentration and energy levels. Options like oatmeal, fruit, eggs, or yogurt provide essential nutrients. Step 8. Pack snacks and lunch. Preparing snacks or lunch ensures they have healthy options throughout the day, reducing the temptation to opt for less nutritious choices. Step 9. Quick exercise. A short workout or stretching routine helps wake up the muscles, improves mood, and boosts energy levels. Step 10. Plan the day. Reviewing the day's schedule and setting goals help prioritize tasks and manage time effectively. Step 11. Positive affirmations. Spending a few minutes on positive affirmations or gratitude fosters a positive mindset and builds self-esteem. Step 12. Mindfulness or meditation. Practicing mindfulness or meditation helps center the mind, reduce stress, and improve focus. Step 13. Check weather and news. Staying informed about the day's weather helps in dressing appropriately, and keeping up with the news ensures they are aware of current events. Step 14. Review homework and notes. Quickly going over homework or notes helps reinforce learning and ensures they are prepared for the day's classes. Step 15. Leave on time. Leaving on time ensures they reach school without rushing, starting the day on a calm and positive note. Some tips for parents. Encourage independence. Allowing children to take ownership of their routine helps build responsibility and self-confidence. Positive reinforcement. Praising their efforts and progress reinforces good habits and motivates them to maintain the routine. Stay involved. Regular check-ins show support and help guide them without micromanaging, fostering a sense of security and independence. This detailed routine helps young girls develop essential life skills, promoting a productive and positive start to their day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, And don't forget to subscribe to Glow Up Guide for more tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.